I recently found out there is a brand new prefab home model that I've never seen before being finished in the mountains. And spoiler alert, it looks awesome. So yeah, we got to go check it out. Big thank you to Rainstick Shower for sponsoring this video and making it possible. Let's do it. As you can see, I am in the mountains. This was not a clickbait title. Those are the mountains back there. Just up the street from here is a brand new prefab home that they're just putting the final touches on as we speak. So I'm going to head over there, check it out, look at some of the features, and hopefully find out where they're going to be available. Let's go. This is the Saturna 7, a 700 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home from Hewing House. Now, Hewing House has been on the channel before, but not like this. Last time I showed one of their homes, it had a flat roof, but as you can see, this has a peaked roof, and that's because of where it's located. Where we're sitting right now is in the Sunshine Valley in BC, where they're going to get a lot of snow. So they've opted for a peaked roof, which gives the exterior a completely different look. To give you an idea of the process, 1 month ago, this lot was completely covered in trees, and as you can see now, it's about move-in ready. They've got a few more minor details to finish, but this thing's pretty much as good as done. This specific Saturna 7 was at the boat show, so it is absolutely jam-packed with features, which I can't wait to show you, some of which include these sliding glass doors, the fireplace inside, it's got a great kitchen, and a ton of storage. Let's get to it. Welcome inside the Saturna 7. I don't know where to start other than to say, it's hard to not smile at being inside this thing because it is just incredible. It's got the cedar walls, it's got 8'7" ceilings, it's got these sliding glass doors behind me, and I am very excited to show you around. I think I'm gonna start in the living room because that's where I'm standing, and one of the things you'll notice over here is they've got a gas fireplace in the corner, and you might also notice the view. This is one of the most scenic prefab homes that I've ever had the pleasure of touring. And the reason it's on such a cool property is because it's actually going to be used as a show home that people can visit if they're considering buying. And you can actually stay the night in this home. Buying a home is a big decision, and apparently they understand that at Hewing House because this is one of the few occasions where you can actually test drive the home similar to a car, which I think makes a lot of sense. The Saturna 7 is 700 square feet, but honestly, it feels bigger than that. This place has the cottage vibe dialed to about 110, and given the setting, it works really well. So in the main section of the home that's completely wide open from one side to the other, you're dealing with a space of 20 feet wide. I'm currently standing in the living room, so they've got the TV mounted there, built-in storage underneath, and if I head over to the other side, close to the entrance, they've got a lot of built-in storage right by the front door. And in that, they've got something that a lot of people are going to be asking about, so I'm going to get it out of the way before you even have time to ask. Yes, they do have laundry. They've got a stacking washer dryer right here, easily accessible. And then if we move over one here, we've got a full-size closet there. And then in this one, right by the door, is the hot water tank. Above each one of those, we've got more storage yet. I would put stuff up here that I'm not going to be accessing every single day, because to get to that top shelf up there, I'm likely going to need a step stool. So that's not where I'm going to put my keys. All right. Moving on. To the left of the entrance, they've got the kitchen against the outside wall, and then the dining room between the kitchen and the living room. So starting at this side, they've got this pantry here, and they've already got it stocked. Look at that. Rain Coast crisps, fig and olive crackers. Huh, interesting. Up above that, another 2 shelves there. And then if we move over here, they've got a cooktop, an oven down below, and a little bit more of a modern flair with this white addition. So we've got the cottage vibe mixed with the modern flair in the kitchen. So this is where I would put my glasses right there. Up above the cooktop, bit of storage with the venting there. On either side of the oven, they've got a bank of drawers, as well as a drawer underneath. Sink with the black hardware, I like that. And ooh, a nice deep drawer there for, I don't even know what I would put in this drawer. I like this. Usually you've just got the doors that open and then you put stuff underneath, but the way they built this, they've actually got something that rolls out, and I think that's going to be a little more user-friendly. Beside the sink, this, believe it or not, is the dishwasher. They've got the matching cabinet front on there. I thought it was going to be a garbage drawer at first, but lo and behold, they've got the dishwasher there, and then the fridge on the left side. So Pellegrino, fancy as it gets. So down below,
as predicted. That's the freezer. And then above the fridge, you've got a little bit more storage yet, which is great because I see it in the comments all the time. People are always looking for more storage. They got lots by the front door at the entrance, and they've got lots in the kitchen. Let's head over to bedroom 2. Because of the nature of this home, they've got a set of bunks in bedroom 2, which I think makes a lot of sense since they may have to accommodate larger groups of people. Now, if you're wondering where the ladder is, they don't have one yet because it just came from a home show and they didn't want kids climbing up to the top bunk during the show. I honestly thought it would be a breeze to get up here without a ladder, but it was surprisingly hard. So what they've got is a single bed up top, and down below what we're looking at there is a queen bed. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense, and it's just another thing that they can showcase when people come to see their model. Between the 2 bedrooms is the bathroom, and there's some cool stuff going on in here. Have a look at this. If you've been following Hewing House like I have, you likely already know that sustainability is a high priority for them. So they've put this rainstick shower in this bathroom. With rainstick, which is this device I'm looking at right here, homeowners can expect to save 80% water and 80% energy. I didn't realize this, but heating water is one of the biggest energy sucks in a home. So if you can use less water, you can save on your energy bill. Using less water is one thing, but I still want to know that I'm in the shower when I'm in the shower, so I'm not really looking for a little trickle flow. And they found a workaround here. With this rainstick shower, you actually end up with twice the flow rate, and the way they're able to do that is by recycling and cleaning the water. I took the plate off so we could have a look at this, and basically the way it works is water's collected in this reservoir here, and then it gets sucked back up into the unit where it's cleaned and filtered, and then it gets reused. So you can have that higher than average flow rate without having to use a ton of water, which means you're heating less water, and it leads to about $1,100 of energy savings per year. This is a very cool appliance, and one that I think we'll be seeing in a lot of off-grid options, or pretty much anywhere where water conservation or saving money is a concern, which is basically everywhere. Check out the size of the window in this bathroom. So usually you'll get a little slider, possibly a little slot window to let out a bit of steam, but no, not here. I don't have the dimensions, but it's definitely bigger than I usually see in a bathroom. And before people start to panic that someone's gonna look in while they're in the bathroom, you can roll that down when you need to. So if you want a bit more privacy, which is totally understandable, you can get it. To round out the bathroom, they've got this floating vanity. So towel storage on one side, another drawer under the sink, which I like, and then more storage there. They've got the black Moen faucet here and black hardware throughout the bathroom. So yeah, this is a very spacious bathroom for a 700 square foot home. They've got the full tile walk-in shower with the rain stick to save water, power, and money. They've got the toilet with the big window above, and then this oversized vanity, which has more than enough storage for anything that I'm gonna be putting in there. Check this out. This is my favorite spot in the home. Here we go. I've been trying to think back to every video I've done over the last few years, and I don't know that I've done one that has a window in the bedroom quite like this before. Look at the size of this thing. It's absolutely incredible. Before people panic about privacy, yes, they do have roll shades on both the windows, but how about this view? The way they've set this up for the use they've set it up for, it's like I'm looking out to a campsite. So you've got all the creature comforts of the Saturna 7, but you're looking out into the wilderness, and I could definitely stay the night here. So they've got a king bed in here, they got the cool chandelier light there, and then they've got a full wall of storage on this side. They've got access into the bedroom through both the bathroom and the main part of the home, and then they've got access out to the back deck through this sliding glass door. So if you're waking up in this bedroom, you're pretty much gonna have views out of 2 full walls, which is unbelievable. This room definitely has a good feel. It is a complete vibe. I know the storage police are gonna be up in arms if I don't show this angle so they can get a little taste of what we're dealing with here. You know who you are. So, place to hang clothes there. Same. Oh, this one's got 2 fancy jackets in it. Actually, one's a shirt. I've got the single door there. That's got shelving. And I'm guessing same on the bottom. So it's just going to be a repeat of the top. Nope. This is shelving in this one. So final guess. I'm guessing shelving. Yes. So place to hang, shelving, 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 shelving. For the purpose of this walkthrough, I'm going through the back door because it has the most wow factor. We've got the covered porch with not 1, not 2, but 3 sliding glass doors. I'm going in the middle one, which lands right in the living room. To the left, we've got the gas fireplace, TV with built-in entertainment center, And then there's the main entrance. So that side of the home is actually out to the road. Across from the living room, they've got the kitchen with plenty of storage there. And then over here is the second bedroom. Queen on the bottom, that's a single up top. And then I'm going to loop around into the bathroom, which is between the two bedrooms. And there's the rain stick shower. That's a very cool appliance right there. More on that in the video. So the toilet right there with the larger than life window. Let's get a quick look at that view. And then we'll loop around, have a look at the floating vanity and the mirror. I'm going to go back out into the living room for another look there. And then I'm going to loop around into the main bedroom. So you can actually get into the main bedroom from both the living room or the bathroom. Check this out. You got the huge window on that side. There's the other sliding glass door. Doesn't get much better than that. This Eterna 7 has a base price of 340,000 Canadian dollars. I'll put the USD conversion on the screen, and it will be available in both Canada and the United States. I don't know if you picked up on it while I was walking around, but I like this place. Everything about it just works. From the moment you walk in the door to the surroundings, it's all tied together and it is a very cool space. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this Eterna 7, a 700 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom prefab home from Hewing House. Thanks for watching. See you in the next